Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a mutton curry recipe which is inspired by a Konkani style of cooking. So let's begin. Add 1 tablespoon of a ghee in a vessel. Add oil as required. Let the oil heats up. Then add pandan leaves, which is also called pulao patti. It gives a nice aroma to the recipe, but if you don't have this leaf, you could skip it, no problem. Then add some whole spices like cinnamon stick, clove, black pepper, green cardamom, star anise. Then add one onion and saute it well. While it's getting done, add salt to it and cover it for some time so it will help to caramelize faster. Keep stirring it constantly. As it turns to light golden brown in color, add half tomato into it. Keep this thing in your mind that don't turn onion into a dark brown color. Keep it light brown. Allow it to soften, then add mutton. Simultaneously add all masala like 1 tablespoon ginger garlic and chili paste. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt as per taste. Add few coriander leaves and saute all things well. Add 2 cups of water into it, then cover it and cook it onto a low to medium flame. While the mutton is getting cooked, let's blend. Take grated coconut 1 cup, add 1 small cinnamon stick and 2 pieces of green cardamom. If you are adding a frozen grated coconut, add a warm water to it so it will be easy to blend it and also it gives a smooth paste with a nice texture. Blend it into a fine paste. When you will check it, you should feel a smooth texture. When you blend it nicely, then with the help of strainer, strain it. See its texture, it's really smooth. Then squeeze with the hand and extract the coconut milk as shown in the video. Check the mutton whether it's done or not. If it is nicely cooked or done, then add coconut milk into it. The most important thing is when you will add coconut milk into it, don't cover the lid and keep the gas flame low, otherwise the milk will get curdle. After boiling the curry for few minutes, then add 1 tablespoon of rice flour or corn flour. Add little bit of water into it, mix it and add this mixture into the curry and give it a nice stir. This is only for making it consistency thick. Allow it to cook for 5 more minutes and then at the end add pinch of black pepper powder and a garam masala powder on the top of it. And then turn off the gas flame. Now do the plating and finally garnish with the fresh coriander. The curry is ready. Do try it and let me know how it turned out.